How to use Reddit anonymously without signing in. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Reddit on your device. Then, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on your name. After you've clicked on your name, at the bottom you'll find option, which is anonymous browsing. Simply click on it, and it will switch to anonymous browsing. You will be able to see subreddits, search anything you want, but you won't be able to upvote or comment. You cannot also post. And this is how to use Reddit anonymously without signing in. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.